Wave soldering is a widely used method for soldering electronic components onto printed circuit boards efficiently and effectively. The process typically involves the preparation of the PCBs with through-hole components, including the application of flux to remove any impurities and promote successful soldering. The PCBs are then preheated to a specific temperature to eliminate any moisture and ensure optimal soldering conditions. The boards are passed over a tank of molten solder, typically a blend of tin and lead, where a pump creates a continuous wave of solder. This wave covers the PCB, allowing the solder to form strong connections between the components and the board. Once the soldering is complete, the PCBs are cooled and cleaned to remove any excess flux and solder residue, resulting in a clean, functional final product.